Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I'm a couple minutes late today. Hope y'all are having a great day. It's supposed to be really warm. It was very warm this morning, but it's another day in paradise. So here we go. We have sold 84 homes. That's 42 a day, and you know that number will just increase as we go through the month. And we have 25 days of inventory. That's a good thing. 47 homes just listed under $400,000 and 1,053 single-family homes available under $400,000. And there's a total of 3,230 homes available single-family. So I think life is good. I think everybody's good. We listed 121 homes yesterday, and y'all put 135 under contract. Fantastic. We closed 77 deals. And life is good. We have 956 sold homes. I think I made a typo there. There's 956. 956, and available is 505. That's correct. And of course, we started tracking the non-owner occupied sales. And yesterday, I think we sold about 31, which brought the July to September number up. And we're selling about 43.4 homes a day to non-occupied homeowners. And that results in 31% of our sales. Hey, Karen, good morning, my love. How are you? Good to see you this morning. So not a lot going on. I didn't change the median yet. I will get to that. And we have some interesting stats to report about that today.